Our story unfolds in Humble, Texas, where a homeowner tasked NextGen Surface Care with rejuvenating her luxurious home's travertine flooring, a crucial step in preparing the property for sale. The goal was clear: repair and enhance the 2,200 square feet floor marred by visible cracks and pits, transforming it into a selling point for prospective buyers. This segment showcases the extent of the damaged cracks and pits that have accumulated over time, illustrating the need for professional restoration. Over the next 5 days, our team embarked on a meticulous restoration process. Although initially estimated as a 2-3-day job, the complexity of repairing around 600 square feet of major damage within the larger area required extra care and precision. Our commitment to excellence meant we took the time needed to achieve the best results. While we don't have video of every step, imagine the transformation as each crack and pit was skillfully repaired, and the once dull surface began to gleam with a new satin finish. A specific request from the client who preferred its sophisticated, understated elegance. The countertops received a different treatment. The onyx and granite surfaces were polished to a high-gloss finish, showcasing their natural beauty and complementing the newly restored floor. As we conclude the project, the final result is a testament to the skill and dedication of Eduardo, Francis, and the entire NextGen Surface Care team. The home now stands ready to impress potential buyers, its floors and countertops a reflection of the care and quality we invest in every project. For those in Humble, Texas and beyond, looking to transform their homes with expert floor and countertop restoration, NextGen Surface Care represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship and client satisfaction. Your home deserves the best, and at NextGen Surface Care, we bring that vision to life. Don't let cracks and dull surfaces diminish the beauty of your home. Whether it's elegant travertine floors or stunning granite countertops, our team is ready to deliver unmatched quality and craftsmanship. Visit us now at nextgensurfacecare.com. Explore our gallery of transformations, learn more about our services, and schedule your free consultation today. Together, let's create a space that's not just restored, but reborn. NextGen Surface Care, where every detail counts.